Today's topic is covalent character in ionic compound. We know that ionic and covalent bonds are two extreme types of bonds. In fact, most of the heteronuclear bonds have intermediate character. Even in the case of pure ionic compound, there is some degree of covalent character. When two oppositely charged ions, maybe cations and anions, are brought together, the positive ion attracts the outermost electron of the negative ion. This results in distortion of negative ion. Distortion. This positive ion attracts the negative ion. So negative ion polarized towards the positive ion. Due to bigger size of anion, polarizations takes place. And due to polarization, a distortion is created in case of anions. And this distortion leads to the polarization of the bond. And due to polarization, covalent character is introduced. Not a single compound is 100% ionic. Even most ionic compounds also have some covalent character. So first time Fajans tried to explain the covalent character in ionic compound. According to Fajans rule, a smaller size of cation, more charge on cation, and pseudo-inert gas configuration. In case of anion, large size of anion and more charge on anion. Then factors affecting the polarization. A small size of cation directly proportional to polarization. In group, alkaline earth metal halides, size of cation down the group increases. When size of cation increases, polarization decreases. Polarization decreases. When polarization decreases, covalent character also decreases. So it is applicable not only in alkaline earth metal, in case of alkali metal also. So size of cation increases, polarization decreases, and covalent character decreases. In case of anion, large size of anion, large size of anion directly proportional to polarization. For example, in case of lithium salt, LiF, lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide. Size of anion increases down the group. When size of anion increases down the group, polarization also increases. And we know that size of anion is directly proportional to polarization. If polarization increases, automatically the covalent nature or covalent character of compound also increases. So factors affecting the polarization, the first point is size of cation. As smaller is the size of cation and bigger is the size of anion, more is the polarizing power. Then the third point, charge on cation or anion. Charge on cation and anion are also directly proportional to polarization. Charge on cation, or anion directly proportional to polarization. For example, in case of NaCl, MgCl2 and AlCl3, when charge on cation increases, for example, sodium has unipositive, magnesium is dipositive, and aluminium is tripositive. So charge on cation increases. Charge on cation. Charge on cation increases. When charge on cation increases, polarization also increases. Polarization increases. And when polarization increases, covalent nature of compound also increases. So in case of charge on cation.